video. As usual, I will introduce myself. My name is Indang Sartika. I am a student at Mercu Buana University, especially in major in accounting. In this video, I will answer some questions for English for accounting class final exam. Okay, let's go. Okay, A. Answer the question based on the text above. 1. What else does digital technology have an impact on outside the company's strategic and competitive objective? My answer is technology also has an impact on its business model, competitive advantage, and market strategy. Furthermore, digital technology has an impact on accounting information and management control system. 2. What, in your opinion, is the influence of technological advancement? My answer is technology advancement has changed the accountant's ability to interpret data efficiently and effectively. 3. What is the influence of modern company system development? My answer is with the existence of a company of computer-based accounting system, it will not require a lot of time, cost, and effort in implementing it when compared to manual or traditional work. And in addition, the information generated by a computer technology based accounting system will be faster and more accurate and does not need to require repeat examination of the result output, namely the financial statement present. 4. Where might the impact of technical advancement on accounting be recognized or demonstrated? My answer is the advancement of contemporary computer system has resulted in a reduction in accountants' burden, repetitive tasks that existed in the conventional method setting are now simple and quick. 5. What did Frey discover concerning the dangers of automation? My answer is positions are at risk of automation and the accounting profession is at the top of this list with a high likelihood of becoming automated and digitized in the near future. Systemize and examine the major change. B. The match the word or phrase with the definition in the box. 1. In the annual report, a financial statement reader would find out if the company's financial statement gives a fair depiction of its financial position and operating result. My answer is auditor's report. 2. Accounting assumes that an enterprise will continue in operation long enough to carry out its existing objective and commitments. My answer is going concern assumption. 3. The purchase of an office building by issuing long-term notes payable should be reported as a blah 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 blah. My answer is non-cash investing and financing activity. For the different income tax ability, my answer is the present income tax payment that are different until future years. 5. A measure of profitability is the, my answer is return on asset ratio. 6. Working capital is measure of, my answer is liquidity. 7. The difference between the balance of planned asset account and the related accumulated depreciation account is termed, my answer is book value. 8. It is not an activity list in the statement of cash flow. My answer is funding activity. 9. This is example of deferral. My answer is recording repeat trend. And 10. Deciding whether to record a sale when the order for service is received or when the service are performed is an example of a, my answer is recognition issue. C. Complete the sentence in the blank with the right word or phrases available. 1. Companies are encountering an industrial revolution in which companies use blah 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 to orient themselves to customers through e-commerce, digital marketing, social media, and the customer experience. My answer is A. Digitalization. 2. New business models are being developed today based on a connection to B. Information. 3. Digitalization is eliminating functional silos and blah 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 are becoming integrated ecosystem that are fully transparent to everyone. My answer is C. Value change. 4. To analyze the feasibility to automating counting jobs and process, it necessary to distinguish between routine tasks that can be easily and non-routine tasks that are difficult to do by machine or software. My answer is C. To automate. 5. According to Oksinski et al. 2017, job and tasks that demand critical thinking, high-level creativity, and training as human touch will not be automated anytime soon. My answer is A. Well as. 6. However, everyday tasks that do not necessitate a high degree of expertise or experience and only require a little amount of human interaction can be easily my answer is A. Mechanics. Okay, 7. Many accounting tasks blah 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 already automate in many business according to Arns et al. 2017. My answer is A. R. 8. The jobs are invoicing, payroll, and bookkeeping, and they are automated since they are blah 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 of routine, repetitive, stable, and structured process. My answer is C. Making. 9. Auditors gain from digitalization and automation during the following process according to Maudud ul Huk 2014 Audit Planning Analytical Review Method Materiality Assessment Internal Control Evaluation Risks blah 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 and Going Concern Judgment. My answer is assessment. A. 10. However, everyday tasks that do not blah 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 a high degree of expertise or experience and only require a little amount of human interaction can be easily mechanized. My answer is B. Necessitated. Okay, 11. Many accounting tasks are already blah 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 in many especially in large company blah 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 according to Arns et al. 2017. My answer is B. Automate. 12. The job are invoicing, payroll, and bookkeeping, and they are automated because they're blah 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 routine, recurring, stable, and structured process. My answer is C. Involving. 13. According to Maudud Ulhuk 2014, auditors benefit from digitalization and automation during the following process: audit, analytical review procedures, materiality assessment, internal control, evaluation, risk assessment, and going concern judgment. My answer is A. Planning. 40. Examining how many business utilize digital solution currently and what they plan to in the coming years. My answer is A. Use. 15. They are primarily launched and out by the large audit firms. My answer is C. Carried. 16. On digitalization in accounting and the main digital solution that are already detected in German companies or will be implemented in the near future. My answer is A. Implement. 17. These are paperless accounting interface or interface to internal or system data equality management, process automation, system uniformity, integrated consolidation system, real-time reporting, transparency creation, big data analysis, visualization tools, and cloud computing by KPMG 2017. My answer is A. External. 18. Some conducted a survey of 76 major and medium-sized enterprises in Germany regarding the existing state and future digital. My answer is A. Development. 19. For the firm, both the most popular application of artificial are automated reading of invoice and documents for accounting. 39. of respondent and automate payment transfer to 29%. My answer is C, intelligent. 20 tools are mainly are implemented by biggest audit firms. My answer is A, initiated. Okay, D, structure text. Make your sentence by using these accounting terms. 1. Profit and asset. Profit describes the financial benefit realized when revenue generated from a business activity exceeds the expense, costs, and tax involved in sustaining the activity in question. While asset is a research with economic value that an individual, corporation, or country owns or controls with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit. Okay, 2. Gross profit margin. Gross profit margin is a metric analysts use to assess companies' financial health by calculating the amount of money left over from product sales after subtracting the cost of goods sold, or COGS. COGS. Okay, 3. Net profit margin. Net profit margin is the percentage of revenue left after all expense have been deducted from sales. 4. Return on equity ratio. The return on equity ratio, or EOE, is a profitability ratio that measures the ability of a firm to generate profit from its shareholders' investment in the company. 5. Return on capital employed. Return on capital employed is financial ratio that measures a company's profitability in terms of its capital. Okay, thank you for watching.